Jeff, welcome to Cincinnati. Thank you for coming to Ghent. We have our own version of the Ghent Olympics that we're going to put you through. The first event that we're doing is ping pong. So you have your challenger Corbin, and we're going to play some ping pong.
Where are we going to play?
I'm so glad you asked. Let's show them. I think Jeff with MRL won that round, so congratulations. 1-0 MRL versus Ghent. Let's go ahead and clean up. All right, so the next event we have is our mobile relay race. And Corbin, this is your mobile. Obviously, you can see it moves really nice. We got a special one for you though, Jeff. Here it comes.
I don't think this is fair.
Set, go.
All right, so great race, guys. I think Corbin got that one, so it's now tied 1-1. The next few events, we've had to come outside because there's a little bit of hazard involved. So the first event, we're gonna really showcase our cork boards, and we're gonna have a dart competition. So behind me is a cork board with a bunch of balloons on it. So you'll each have 5 darts, 5 throws to see how many balloons you can pop in each of those throws, all right? Okay, so the next event, gentlemen, is going to be our porcelain board here has paint. Our wonderful marketing person has put paint all over the boards. So one side is Jeff's, one side is Corbin's. The first to clean the paint off quickest is going to be the winner. Get set, go. What are you doing? Does anyone see? All right, so it all comes down to this. It's all tied up 2-2. I'm sure you're probably wondering, Kevin, why am I holding a pumpkin ring? Well, we're having some target practice. You see behind you is our glass board with the target on it. If you hit the board on the green, you get 3 points. If you hit it within the red, you get 1 point. And everything else, no points, all right? Hey guys, valiant effort, great competition. I love the spirit. Drum roll, please. Jeff Carlson with MRL. Good job. Congratulations. Give it up for Jeff. All right. Hey, thanks so much for coming, Jeff. You know, we had fun together. You saw a little bit about our products, how durable they are, how much strength they possess, and yeah, thank you so much for coming out.
A lot of fun. Thanks for having me out. This was great, and I love to see all the products and how they perform, which was fantastic. So thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.
So